So this is the Ticktock 5G right here from Unihertz. Look at that. The sub screen basically is very beautiful watch here, and you can get the notifications, you can listen music, and you can have a compass. Finally, you can also have the camera on this sub screen and take 48 megapixels beautiful selfies right from this camera on the sub screen. Now let me show you what's here on the back of Unihertz Ticktock. There's a sub screen, looks really nice, like a premium watch, cameras, LED light. On the left side of the phone you have two buttons, okay, and very nice finish, metallic finish here. We have the SIM card slots right there. You can use the pin to open that. Two buttons, customizable. For now, one of these buttons, this one, you can use with the sub screen camera as a shutter button and take 48 megapixel selfies. And we have a 6.5 inch big screen. By the way, this is 1.3 inches screen, and also shows you notifications a whole lot on the sub screen right here. Okay, so this 6.5 inches screen is very smooth. I can tell you, feels very nice on the screen. Smooth, buttery smooth. So like here we are in the settings, nice and buttery smooth. So while we are in the settings, I can show you the sub screen settings where you can select the clock faces. So you can basically change a whole lot of clock faces. You have the choice right here. Right now I'm using that one. For instance, if I change to this one, okay, go back, and when we go back here, we have a camera, compass, and look at that, I have just changed the watch. So this one is really nice and very premium looking. And at the right side of the phone you have this fingerprint sensor and the on-off button. Then you have volume buttons. Once again, nice metallic finish right here. This is, by the way, rugged phone, waterproof. It has a GPS, Beidou, GLONASS as well. 6,000 milliamp battery that can actually last long. Then you also have this plastic cover for your Ticktock 5G phone, already rugged with this plastic cover. It also protects, gives you additional protection if you drop the phone. This phone is global bands, and you have two SIM card slots, so you can have two different numbers on this. It is a 5G phone, so you can enjoy a lot of speed using the 5G networks. The phone comes preloaded with a bundle of apps, very useful apps that you can use and do your work right from the beginning. Google phone, you can connect it to your Google account, and of course prepare it as you want. For now I haven't set it up. It is just set up offline for this review purpose. Overall, I think this looks pretty nice phone. So now let's see the result of the pictures from the front and rear camera. The hair has 8 megapixel, here's a 48 megapixel, and also videos that I shot, so you can see and make an informed decision. This is the 1080p video shot with the front camera, which is a selfie camera, 8 megapixel on the Unihertz Ticktock 5G. You can see the result in my room and the quality of sound as well. This is a simple video of my table taken with the Unihertz Ticktock 5G, shooting in 1080p HD mode using the rear camera, which is the main 48 megapixel camera. You can see the result and the sound quality right here in my room. I check out, two helicopters are down there as well. Video from my balcony window. My little kitty. Well, he's not little anymore. He has become nice and big. Look at him, fatty. And he loves to sit right here in the window, watch the birds outside and do some mew mew.